Good morning YouTube, and welcome back to Tommy's Van Life. I hope you're doing well. Welcome all new subscribers. Right, so I've got another project, an LT35, just like the last one, and I messed up a little bit. Not really messed up, but I brought it, it was all sign written and wrapped and everything else. It looked quite clean, more for me. I spent hours and hours yesterday with a heat gun removing all the wrap and all the sign writing, and well, most of it. There's still a couple of little bits on there. But removing it all, it was an absolute nightmare, and it's revealed a bit of a shed, if I'm honest. I'll give you a little look round and see what I've revealed. Right, let me show you what I've got. So, look at that, that's a good old scab. A few scabs all the way along. It's not terrible. Still a little bit of wrap I've got to get off. This is the worst bit. Not pretty at all, it's a bit of a dog, let's be honest. But like I say, it's getting wrapped painted. That's all the wrap. Absolutely loads of it. And I used this heat gun from Tool Station or Screwfix, 13 quid. And it done a brilliant job. That one. £12.99 I think. They've done a great job. But don't my hands know it. Blisters all over us. It was a pain in the backside. Anyway, like I say, I'm going to wrap to it anyway. So I've got to rub it all down, treat it all, fill what I've got to fill, get it all prepared. Then I get a good mate of mine, Stuart from Legacy Customs. He's the Raptor King. He's going to come down and Raptor van the paint for me, a nice grey. So it will cover all the crap anyway. The bodywork's rubbish. It's a bit of a dog, but it's low mileage. It's a good engine. It's not a terrible base van, so I'm sort of happy with it. It is what it is. I've got it now, so I have to go from there. Ply lining wise, he put all new ply lining in. The guy, apparently it was a removals van, but he was just taking boxes and everything to jobs. He wasn't actually moving all big stuff. It was just boxes and things like that he was delivering to jobs. That's what he says. But then he also told me there was hardly any rust on the van, so who knows. But yeah, there's a few little bits that needs doing. And that's where we are at the moment. So what my plan is to get rid of the rest of the wrap, sort the rust out, get it wrapped to painted, and then crack on with the inside. With this build, because I've got so much to do and so little time, I want to get this ready for the summer, and it's nearly on us already. So I'm going to film all the main bits that I think could help people out. So I'm not just going to do film everything as I go like the other ones. I'm just going to do the main bits. So I film like when I do the split charge and all the electrics, I film that because it might help you out. When I do the windows, I film that because it might help you out. And just little bits just to because some of it is just it's a nightmare, if I'm totally honest. When you're in a bit of a rush and you've got to try and film everything and do all these little bits, it slows you down, and I haven't really got the time, if I'm totally honest. So I film as much as I can of the build as we go, just to keep you updated, and if little bits help you out in any way. But yeah, keep an eye out. The build has started. Once I get all the rubbish of the bodywork sorted, it's all started. So keep an eye out and look out for some new videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.